Since hindi pa naman ako lumalabas ng Melbourne, dadalhin kita sa Docklands. Kasi it's a very romantic place. Sa Docklands. Sa tabing dagat.
Okay, akala ko Aklan.
Because it's very romantic there. And they've got beautiful restaurant. At saka, basta, romantic lang siya.
Oh, okay. Napaka-romantic niya in fairness.
Sa Docklands daw, yung pinuntahan natin nung napuntahan na namin yun.
Oo.
Sorry, pasensya ka. Galing na kami doon kahapon. Yung sa Pilipinas, yun yung Baywalk, di ba? Oo. Galing kami doon kahapon.
Ang ganda kaya ng Docklands Blue.
Ano yan?
Diyos ko, ang dami-daming kangaroos. Ha? Daming koala bear.
Paano nangyari?
Koala bear?
Tsaka ay, Diyos ko, ang dami-daming ano doon, ang dami-daming... Number 2.
You?
Mine one, I'm gonna bring him to my place.
Arte talaga siya.
I want some quiet moment. Just...
Malibog talaga to.
Oh, yeah! Yeah! Okay. Alam mo yung number 2, Blue? Nung nakita ko siya, parang siyang madre.
Talaga?
Hayop, libong yung hayop. Okay, number 3. Hindi makabasag pinggan.
For me, I choose Hamilton Island.
Sutanghon?
Yes, the company is if you eat it, you have a long life.
Hamilton
Island.
Saan siya papunta?
Because Hamilton Island is a very nice island, so I never been there, so would like to, to show the place.
Okay, and after that, kapag kayo nagugutom, if you're hungry, you eat Sutanghon.
Yes.
I love that place.
Okay, now you choose the Docklands to her place. Yung kwarto daw niya. Gusto niya, dalawa lang kayo. Landing.
Diyos ko, kung alam.
Chili's and to Hamilton Island.
Ako, mahilig ako sa mga dagat-dagat. Number 1.
Docklands. So, 1 point for you, 1 point for you, and 1 point for you. Next.
Naka 1 point to number 3?
Yes.
Shit, Sutanghon talaga.
Pero may mas gusto ko rito
Ano?
Yung pansit nila rito, masarap.
Anong pansit sa Melbourne?
Pansit Melbourne. Masarap yun.
Malabon yun.
Malabon ba yun?
Ano ka ba mas masarap sa Sydney?
Sydney gang.
Sydney gang na baboy?
Yes.
At saka meron din sa Sydney yung sikat na prutas.
Ano yan?
Yung Sydney Guelas. Ano na? Next question.
Magbigay ka ng 3 salita na naglalarawan sa iyong pagkatao na nagmumula sa mga letrang L, B, C.
You giving a chance that you give the 3 letters. Tagalog yan, di ba? Tanga. Siyempre, babasahin ko siya. You giving a chance the 3 letters. The picture. Maglalarawan, picture.
A picture.
A picture in your life, in your whole body.
Bakit ganon?
That is starting on the letter LBC. O Tagalogin mo, ano ito?
Magbigay
You give.
ka
You.
ng
And
3
3.
salita
Speaks.
na
And
maglalarawan
ano picture
sa iyong
in yours.
pagkatao.
Whole body.
Na
Pagkatao, whole body.
nagmumula
And the start of letter.
sa mga letra
And the letters.
L, B, C.
LBZ.
Okay. Girls, you understand? What are the 3 words that will describe you? Words that starts on letters L, B, and C.
Example. Libo ba curious? LBC. Libo ba curious?
L for being a lovable person. B dahil ang beautiful.
Comedian lang.
O, ikaw mag-host nito. Bakit na ito show?
Ba't ka nagagalit ka?
Hindi pala siya, dapat nag-guest na lang siya.
Oo, kapatid niya yung kumanta kanina at napakahusay, palapakan natin yung bata kanina. Come on.
Saan dyan?
Kung kanina kumanta yung kapatid niya yun, yung maganda yung una. Ina, you?
Okay.
For me, it's lovely, beautiful, and caring.
Lovely, beautiful, and caring.
Lovely, beautiful, and caring. How about you, Miss Utanghun?
I choose lovable and believing and
Costumes daw. Lovable, believing, and costumes. Am I right? Costumes?
Sabi niya hindi, lovable,
Believing.
lovable, believing, and canton. Kasi kapag gusto na hon, may canton.
What's that? Costumes? Is that it? Caring. Sorry ha. Yung costumes ba yung sinabi niyo? Customs? Ah, I see. Alam ko costume.
Customs.
Oh, custom. Oh.
Okay.
Now, you choose.
Gubiet.
One is lovable, beautiful, and comedian. The next one is
Customs.
loving, beautiful, and caring. Next one is you. What?
Ay, alam ko na sa kanya. Lumpia, bihon.